In this video I'm going to show you how to create and edit user groups. I'll also show you how to assign those user groups to an employee. First of all, if you go to Administration, Employees, and User Group Management, so here you can see the different user groups that you have available. By default, Abtrac will supply you with the one administration user group. To add a second, click on the plus, give it a name, and a description if you want to. And you clone it from a pre-existing user group and click on the plus. So here's that user group. So to change what the users can and cannot see, we'll click on this cogwheel to manage the privileges. So as you can see, the different screens are broken up to different types of access. You can have full access, no access, or read only. So for a timesheet only, what you would do is you would go through and you'd put ticks in the boxes where you want them to have access or no access, or if you just want them to be able to see what's there. So I'll go through and do that now, and I'll get back to you when I'm finished. So I've finished editing the permissions for this user group. One thing I'll point out is this little cogwheel down here next to the job details. If you click on that, you can actually see whether or not the fields are required when entering a job, or whether they are locked, so this particular user group cannot edit them. We'll now click Save for that user group. If you gave that user group access to reports, to change what reports they can or cannot see, you'd click on this cogwheel here. And you go through this list here to take the ticks out of boxes where you don't want them to see particular reports. For the home screen widgets, the same thing. If you click on that cogwheel, it shows you a list of the widgets, and you can take ticks out of those boxes so they don't have access to them. So for the system privileges, if you click on this cogwheel here, this shows you whether or not the employees are allowed to see charge rates and cost rates, and whether or not they can uncommit timesheets. To apply this user group to the employee, if you go to Administration, Employees, and Login Management, you'll see all of the employees and their logins, and you'll also see the user groups that these employees belong to. To edit them, click on the pencil next to their name. Now all you need to do is change the user group to your newly created user group and click Save. If you have any questions after seeing this video, get in touch through www.abtrac.com or email us at support@abtrac.com.